I can't wait for my next family vacation. I had so much fun on my last trip and have so many memories. There are 4 people in my family. My mother, dad, brother and me. My brother is usually so annoying, but on the trip we had fun. We all went to Seoul for fun. I wish we could have stayed forever. We traveled on a New York. We traveled on a sorry. We traveled on We ate very delicious food like noodles. Next vacation, I hope we go to New York because I have usually wanted to New York City to see New York. I would totally recommend going to Seoul. I love my family and hope to go on vacation again soon.